everyone. Excuse my acne, good lord. Yes, Vivi and I just got done working out, and today I'm going to dye my hair peachy. Yay! As your best hair Milton 2015 grad, I dyed my hair all the time. I dyed my hair peachy one time and it was super cute. Since I'm growing out my roots, might as well just dye my blonde hair while I can. I'll show you what I got. I got this. It was on sale at Target. This is what they do. It really matches my skin tone and my shirt, as you can see. So it fits the vibe perfect. But it's called Uberliss. This is my hair before. Yellowish blondes. But I also purchased some conditioner because I used to do this with my purple hair dye all the time. Don't worry, we wore face masks when we went to Target. We're diluting the dye, maybe, if it's like, wow. And then it will last longer, and then I can have peachy hair forever. Stay tuned. Going to check on the pizza. Wow, this is good lighting. Wow, Siobhan, are you a chef? You're gonna want to part your hair in 3 ways. This is the product, again, from clearance, Target, and the conditioner. And even though we don't have gloves, we do have bags. Because gloves are all out because people are staying safe out there. Alright, let's do it. So yeah.
This is like the exact same color of your skin on your shirt.
I know. Looks pretty light, actually. Oh wow. This is not an ideal bottle. And I might save that little last part for putting it in my conditioner, because here's a life hack for those of you who dye your hair crazy colors. And if you're blonde and you want it to be more blonde, you can get purple shampoo. You can also just get purple hair dye and put a tiny bit in your conditioner, so I might do that with this conditioner. So this is about what came out of the bottle. Honestly, it doesn't look like a lot. So we're gonna add some conditioner. Ooh, smells good. I'm gonna use the end of this eyeliner pencil to stir. Wow, it smells good. Bleach hair for maximum vibrancy. Apply on clean, dry hair. I have dirty, dry hair. Oh, that's okay. Leave in for 30 minutes. I don't know, it's just like that's not a lot. Alright, Vivi, you're gonna want to get your gloves.
Forget and sugar.
Yeah, thanks for sponsoring me, Target Kroger. Alright.
So I can literally just...
Yeah, it's kind of a weird texture.
I might need to grab the other glove. We'll see. Remember that time that Taylor and I dyed your hair?
Brown, right?
Yeah, but it looked great. I feel like you were trying to stay really calm, and you did. But then the next day you posted something really emo.
I did?
Like up close of you with your brown hair. Well, that's how we knew you didn't like it.
Wow. Wow, the Siobhan Salon, starring Vivi.
Okay.
Wait, my hands up, this looks great though. Wow, this is really the same color as my skin. And now I will wait an hour, come back with my hair. Hope you guys can wait that long. Can't touch this, my hands. Oh God, that was Vivi's towel. All right, everyone, the moment has come. Looks cute. Kind of looks like Kool-Aid dye. Maybe I should have just like gotten some Kool-Aid.